Okay, so the internet got disconnected. So before proceeding further, I'm directing you to the website of the National Stock Exchange, and I will be sharing one Excel. ये जो Excel है, मैं आपको एंड में वीडियो के एंड में डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा, so that it will be a Google Drive, so you can simply just visit that, and after the video you can also complete your task which will be given to you at the end to practice more. So as I told you that we will be using Algo, artificial intelligence, which I have already told you in the just last video, and now I will be telling you that how you will be able to use the Gann skewer. So Gann skewer is all about the support and resistance. So now I will be redirecting you to the website, how we will be doing it to arrive at the investment decisions, right? So here we go. Okay, so now I'm sharing one Excel template with you. Okay, so now you that we will be working on this Excel template in order to arrive at our short-term investment or trading decisions purely as per the Gann skewer. Just give me a moment. So you can see that यहाँ पे मैंने एक Nifty 100, like there is a Nifty 50, there is a Nifty. I have downloaded these companies जो कि Nifty 100 का part है. So I started from here, VML, HDFC. So what I will do is, this I had done yesterday. तो इसको हम यहाँ से अब clear कर देंगे, and then we will ultimately go to proceed further. So you can see that if I want to generate my short-term investment or trading decisions, so today is 23rd June and the market opening time is 9:15 AM. So what I will be doing is, first 15 minutes there is a lot of market noise. So what I will be doing is that I will be selecting the price at the 9:30 AM. So you can see here, I will be selecting the price for the 9:30 AM for the VAML stock. And this is the website of NSE now. Okay, I have to just stop and again share. So this is the website of now VAML. Okay, so I will type the name of the script here, VAML. VAML is basically Vedanta Aluminium Metal Limited. Now you see the chart of this company will display over here. Okay, so you just note down, जैसे ही आप cursor के ऊपर drag करेंगे, you will be able to find that you will be able to find the time like 9:07, 9:15, 9:21. So what is the price at 9:30 AM? Here it is. So the price at the 9:30 AM of VAML is 478. So let's consider it 479. So now I will stop share. So I will type the price here 479. So I will have to stop and then again share the screen every time. So I am not using OBS Studio, otherwise OBS Studio में there is no problem about the same. So I will go to the Excel now. तो ये काम आपने करना है for all the audience who are listening to this. This is a skill which is not taught by many people, but I thought that our purpose is to give knowledge and applied finance, जिसको आप practice करके you can develop a skill. But before that, I can see a number of audience who are watching this video. They have not still subscribed the channel. Please subscribe it because there are a lot more to come with the passage of time. Now you think I have entered 479 here as the 9:30 a.m. Now I will redirect you to the another website which is known as the Gann square of 9 for the indicators. Let me just open that browser. So what was the opening price of that VAML? The opening was 479, which we just entered on the Gann square of 9. So this is an open source platform. You can go to Pivot Trading or any other browser open source for that sake. And when I will enter this price, जो कि 930 पे ट्रेड कर रहा था 479 का, sorry, so you can see that Gann square is giving me, so here for this sake of example मैं सिर्फ लेवल 1 कंसीडर कर रहा हूं, चाहे वो लोअर साइड पे है सपोर्ट 1, चाहे वो हायर साइड पे रेजिस्टेंस 1. सो जस्ट नोट डाउन दीस टू प्राइसेस. सपोर्ट की साइड में दैट मींस डाउन साइड पे इट इज 473 एंड हायर साइड पे इट इज 479. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दीस टू वैल्यूज which we will be entering on our screen now on that Excel. 473 and 489. So here Excel, 473 is my support level, 489 is my resistance level. Now you tell me what is the live price which is trading as of now. As of now means right now. So right now it is 11.8. So I want the live price. So I will go to the, I'm using National Stock Exchange. So I will just refresh from here and I will check that what is the live price which is trading for this stock VML, because it is a part of NIFTY50, because we are considering NIFTY50 for our this live workshop. So you can see that right now the price is 469.70. So what I will do is right now it's changing because markets are always volatile. So I will go to this Excel 470. I will enter here 470. Now I have created this dashboard ताकि आप एक ऐसा अपना पोर्टफोलियो तैयार कर ले, आप ऐसा अपना एक डैशबोर्ड तैयार कर ले जिसके थ्रू यू योरसेल्फ बिकम द फंड मैनेजर ऑफ योर ओन पोर्टफोलियो. आप डिसाइड कर पाएंगे कि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस एडवांस्ड टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स इज अ पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक बेरिश और बुलिश. अगर बुलिश है यू मे बाय इट और यू मे रिमेन इन्वेस्टेड, और बेरिश है तो यू मे गेट आउट ऑफ इट और यू मे हैव अ short position. So next column is Gann support 1 price level breached. So you can see my support level was 473. Yes, it's breached. Resistance obviously no, because resistance में ये गया ही नहीं, because it is on the correcting mode. So what is my recommendation as per the Gann square? So now you can see, अब आप एक काम कर सकते हैं इसको बैक टेस्टिंग करने के लिए whenever you are applying for any project or whether you are doing any research for your company, as an investor, as a student, as an analyst, whatever, as a common man, as a common investor. तो knowledge कोई नहीं देता है, tips सारे देते हैं, but our purpose is not to give any tip or advice. Okay, how I selected 473, 479. Okay, I will just repeat it again. So I'm just taking you to the website. See, I'm repeating it. See, the price of the VAML stock, which we have taken as an example, I'm repeating it. I have considered 9:30 AM price for any stock. So I'm talking about VAML stock, जिसका 9:30 AM का price था 479. Now there is a question you are asking me that how you generated 473, 489. I have not generated this. I have generated these prices using Gann square of 9 level 1. So Gann square of 9 मुझे ये बता रहा है that 9:30 AM पे मेरे एक स्टॉक का प्राइस 479 था. I want to understand as an investor, I am confused. मुझे ये buy करना चाहिए, ये sell करना चाहिए, because I don't have any knowledge of the market, but still I want to become a practitioner. तो मैं Gann square of 9 जो कि WD गैन ने बनाया था आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग, उन्होंने कुछ सपोर्ट और रेसिस्टेंस लेवल दिए. रेसिस्टेंस इज ऑन द हायर साइड, support is on the downside. So you can see as per Gann square of 9, 479 का जो प्राइस था, it has come down to, if it breaches 473, then it is a sell. Now I'm just taking you to the website again for the NSC. Okay, so this was the price. You can see the price at the 9:30 am. I am not, मैं यहाँ पे opening price consider नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because जनरली देखिए हर किसी का अपना अपना रूल ऑफ थंब है. तो मेरा ये रूल ऑफ थंब है कि स्टार्टिंग के 15 मिनट्स में 15 मिनट्स में फ्रॉम 9:15 AM to 9:30 AM देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केट नॉइज. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज, मैं यहाँ पे आई हैव जस्ट चेक्ड, आई हैव ड्रैग डाउन द cursor here and I got the price at the 9:30 AM. That is why I entered 479 and the Gann square provided me those resistance support levels. यहाँ पे you can see it here, and that I am updating in my Excel right here. This is what you have to do for the remaining 100 stocks. So I will be doing it for your knowledge for 10-15 stocks, so that we are able to arrive at our investment decisions or trading decisions based on the scientific methods, based on the mathematical approach given by WD Gann, as well as other advanced indicator generated by Algo trading, जो कि बड़े बड़े proprietary trading firms, DIIs, FIIs, they are doing it using high frequency data. But retail investor, common investor is, I think, deprived. So we came out with this idea that why not teach the skill, why not deliver the knowledge? Because if you have knowledge, knowledge is something जो आपसे कोई चुरा नहीं सकता. Knowledge is the that treasure which can never be stolen, rather it will keep on improving. जैसे जैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे you will become a practitioner and it will give you more and more confidence. But at the same time there has to be no addiction. If, like WD Gann gave some trading rules, अगर मार्केट फ्लैट है या अगर स्टॉक फ्लैट है, आपने उसमें एंटर ही नहीं करना, नो ट्रेड, राइट? नाउ लेट्स consider this next stock like HDFC Bank. So I will share my screen again. So I told you that I am not using OBS Studio because usme I had to copy the stream. So that is why I have to time and again share the screen. So I will start HDFC Bank. Now you please focus carefully. आप इसको ध्यान से देखिए और ध्यान से देखने के बाद step by step सीखिए, so that even if you miss out one stock, you will be able to understand with the example of another stock. So I have now opened HDFC Bank. I am again repeating, I can see number of people who are watching this video have still not subscribed. Please subscribe, because lot more things are coming, whether these are some career opening opportunities by proprietary trading firms, kuch skill training, like the certification training is also there. Some kind of financial sponsorship is also there. NCDC is coming up with its project, and NCDC is looking for some very good competent people, and I want that through this platform I am able to connect the hirers with the job seekers. So HDFC Bank, now you see, please focus it carefully. HDFC Bank mein I don't have to consider this. HDFC Bank mein I don't even have to consider the opening price. I will consider the price, which is the price at the 9:30 AM. So you see, at 9:30 AM the price was 784. So I will stop share now. 784, I will type here 784 here. यहाँ पे मैंने इसको टाइप कर दिया 7. So 784 is the price of HDFC Bank at 9:30 AM, right? So VML is done. इसको हम बोल्ड कर देते हैं. HDFC we are doing it 784. Now this 784 price, इसको मैं use करूंगा to generate the level 1 support on the downside and the level 1 resistance on the higher side. Let me just share that Gann square website. So the price was, so I will type here this time 784 and I will click on calculate. Aapko, you don't just don't get confused with this table. You just note down these figures, like the level 1 and support 1, resistance and support. So 798 is your resistance and 777 is your support. 798 is your resistance and 777 is your support. 798 and 777. 798 and 777 is my support. 798 is my resistance. 777 is my support. Now I will check the live price. As you saw there on the NSC website was the live price is how much right now. Just refresh from clicking this option. So the live price you can see is 787. This is the live price. जब भी मैं analysis कर रहा हूँ, right? It's 1116, so 787. This I will type here on my Google Sheet dashboard. 787. 787. I will go here and I will type here 787. I will type here 780 is my live price. Now you tell me. As per the, do you think that the level 1 support price level is breached? The answer is no, because it is not below. ये 777 के नीचे नहीं गया है. At the same time, resistance 798 के ऊपर भी नहीं गया है. So what is your recommended action? My recommended action is neutral. This is based on the algo trading. I am not saying this. We have used the prior out of Gann square and you can also आप इसको combine कर सकते हैं lot more indicators के साथ, चाहे वो RSI है, चाहे वो moving average है, चाहे वो exponential moving average है, चाहे वो crossovers हैं, MACD moving average, convergence, divergence. There are so many convergence, divergence. There was lot many more indicators. Now let's go to the next third script, which is Reliance. Go to the Reliance Industries. I will go to select this option here. अब मैं यहाँ पे Reliance select करूंगा. तो मैं step by step आपको समझा रहा हूँ so that you are able to understand that why I am selecting the 9:30 AM price. So I will select Reliance Industries here. और Reliance जैसे ही Reliance open हुआ, I will note down its 9:30 AM time. So ये भी देखने में वैसे flat ही लग रहा है. Still we will do it. So at 9:30 you can see 9:30 the price is 1326. So 1326. Let me just first share 1326. I'm sharing my screen. 1326 1441. So this you can see that 9:30 AM की price के basis पे the support 1 price level is 1314 and the resistance price is 1341. And now let's check so it's showing us flat, so still we will do the analysis ourselves. So the live prices you can see it is almost flat, so it is still trading at 1320. What I will be doing is that I will be entering this information यहाँ पे, मैं इसको यहाँ पे enter कर दूंगा 27. So this is going to be your project. This is what you are going to do. आपको यही काम Nifty 500 के ऊपर करना है, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Auto, and you can do the research and back testing of the prior art Gann square, and you can also combine it with the, आप इनको और indicators के साथ भी integrate करके consolidate करके कुछ और novelty भी लेके आ सकते हैं. So you can see 9:30 के हिसाब से 1326 था and the live price is this much. So again support price भी breach नहीं हुआ और resistance भी breach नहीं हुआ, so the stance is again neutral. Now let's go to the next stock, which is Infosys. Infy is the script code for the Infosys. We'll type here Infosys. Infosys. So you can see that Infosys ka, I will just note down this detail so that I'm able to save the time. Okay. So Infosys ka, what is the 9:30 AM time? It's 1040. 1040 was the price at 9:30. I'm not considering the opening price. मैं consider कर रहा हूँ the price of the 9:30. So 1040. Okay, so I'm using 1040 as the price for the same. So 1040 was the price for this thing. And you can see the live price is how much right now. It is trading at a flat. It's trading at 1035 now. 1035 is the live price. So I've got all this information. Ab is info I will just enter here on my Excel, and I will be able to get the dashboard, and I will be updating my own dashboard. My dashboard for the portfolio management, for the maybe for the advisory. So Infosys was trading at 1040 at 9:30, and this Gann support one price level is 1024, and the resistance is on the, I mean, आपको अब तक clear हो गया होगा that is support is on the downside and the resistance is on the higher side. So resistance one में आपका आ गया 1048. Now what is the live price right now? अभी just मैंने भी check किया, so it was 1035. So आपका analysis क्या कह रहा है? What does your analysis say? Gann 1 support breached? No, obviously. Resistance breached? No. So as of now, the stance is neutral. Neutral. So we have completed the analysis of the four stocks. Now you tell me how you will analyze, how you will utilize this information. How you will utilize this information, चाहे वो आपके अपने पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजमेंट के लिए है और वेदर इट इज फॉर गाइडिंग अदर्स. सो यू शुड नॉट बी, आपको किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना. इंडिपेंडेंटली I am able to analyze my portfolio stocks using these indicators, whether Spider Software's Iris Plus product, Delta Dash product, or it is the Gann square of 9. There are so many more indicators, you can do that also. But as per my back testing of this tool for last 5 years, the accuracy is more than 90%. Obviously, it is on intraday, but you can also use it for your short-term investment decisions. Now, watch out. आपको इसमें क्या देखना है? आपको इसमें ये देखना है. Now, I can track that ये जो इन्फी है, it is drifting down towards its support one. So this is the level to watch out for. The moment it breaches out 1024, there may be more selling pressure and you may sell it. But मेरी आपसे एक request है, when I am using the machine learning or I am using the historical data or the live data, in this case we are using the live data. So I will suggest you, अगर तो आप एक long term investor हैं, only then you buy these stocks on holding basis. Do not expose yourself for the what is the word called leverage, excessive leverage. मेरे अकाउंट में 1 लाख रुपया है, but I am able to do the trading up to 5 lakh rupees, which is not a good notion. ये बिल्कुल भी अच्छी स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं होगी. जितना मेरे पास अमाउंट है, I will use only that amount only for the position delivery based position holding. And these are the levels. ये levels आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं, that like VAML is already breached its support level. So let's do some experiment. Let's see right now VML कहाँ पे. जब last time हमने देखा था, it was at 470. Let's do some revisit to this particular stock and find कि अभी इसका क्या प्रोग्रेस चल रहा है, व्हाट इज द स्टेटस. सो आई विल जस्ट क्लिक हियर एंड आई विल टाइप हियर, आई विल सिलेक्ट VML. यहाँ पे मैंने टाइप किया था. सो ओवरऑल मार्केट सेंटीमेंट कैसा है, यू कैन सी इट्स 17 प्लस, सो इट्स hovering around 470. so the still stance is bearish. अब आप ये देखिए आपको एनालाइज कैसे करना है. जैसे आई टोल्ड यू दैट जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है इस वीडियो और इस चैनल के थ्रू वो बहुत ही क्लियर है. इट्स नॉट गिविंग एनी गारंटी, एनी एडवाइस, एनी टिप, बट स्किल डेवलपमेंट. आपको स्किल डेवलप करने में पूरी हेल्प की जाएगी. लास्ट 10 मिनट्स तक, नेक्स्ट 10 मिनट्स तक, 50 मिनट्स तक भी, इफ इट रिमेन्स बिलो इट्स सपोर्ट 1, कीपिंग द ओवरऑल मार्केट सेंटीमेंट, या फिर स्टैंड अलोन, देन यू कैन सी दैट you can use these support and resistance के जो levels हैं, तो you can go to support 2, you can go to support 3, support 4. so you can look for those levels of this particular stock or for that sake किसी भी other stock का. and as a fund manager, जो बड़े बड़े fund manager होते हैं, जो portfolio manager होते हैं, जिनके करोड़ों रुपए के पैकेज हैं, उनका यही काम होता है that how to reject the portfolio by just shifting, moving out or adding some stocks. Okay, so now let's go to the next stock, which is the, you can see here, I'm just sharing my screen here. The next stock is now that of, you can see in the Excel, the next is TCS. So now let's find out the levels for TCS. Okay, so TCS, I will generate all these levels for the TCS. So I'm sure after learning 10 to 15 stocks, you will be able to develop your skill of how to use these advanced technical indicators as well as the Spider software to improve your portfolio's risk adjusted return. Let me tell you, risk adjusted return. There is one more video which I have already published long ago, last year, that I have shared one Excel template. उसमें भी मैंने ये skill सिखाया है that how you can use the Excel template to generate आपकी overall portfolio का. That is also very good video. I will advise you to go through the same. So right now the levels to watch out for is TCS में 930 M का price. I will note down the 930 M prices. You can see it's 2087, 2087. Okay, so what I want right now, this is the LTP, latest trade price is 2070. And now first of all I'm generating these levels myself, then I will share, we will update our Excel. So 2087 was my 930 M price. So my support of the TCS, support 1 was 2070. Resistance 1 is 2104. Share and then now I'm taking you to the Excel. So here we go using the Excel, and here is the Excel. What I will do is TCS का 930 M का प्राइस था 2087. सपोर्ट 1 Gann था 2070 as per 930 M price, sorry. Resistance 1 is 2104. and what is the live price? अभी मैंने चेक किया 1130 AM पे TCS का live price is trading at 2070. Gann support 1 price level breached? Yes. Resistance obviously no. So the stance is bearish. So अभी तक हमारे पास दोनों bearish stock ही आए हैं. So we have completed our 5th stock for the Nifty 100 index. Now you tell me, as you can see that for VAML, even the live price right now is below or around its the support below its support 1 support of the Gann. Similarly, जो TCS है, TCS का जो 930 M का प्राइस था, that was 2087, and as per that, जो कि डाउन साइड पे 2070 was the first support. So you can see अभी जो लाइव प्राइस है वो 2070 पे ही है. As a fund manager, as an investment manager, आपका ये काम है that you have to analyze it for the next 10 minutes, and you can see that as per that website which I just shared with you, the next support level for the TCS is going to be how much? 2058. So if for the next 10 to 50 minutes or for that sake अगर 10 से 15 मिनट भी this TCS is trading below 270 as per Algo trading, as per the support and resistance crossovers. The next support level of the TCS is 2058. So as a prudent investor, as a rational investor relying on the decision support system जो कि बड़े बड़े FIIs, DIIs, prop firms कर रही हैं, you can sell it, you may sell it at 2070 as per support and resistance range, and you may sell it at 2070 and you may buy it at 2058. Okay, so I hope with these 5 stocks you are somewhat clear. Now let's do it for the next stock. The next stock is that Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, let me share my screen. Now we will select Bajaj Auto. So I will type here Bajaj Auto and write इसके सारे जो रेसिस्टेंस लेवल्स हैं 9:30 AM का ओपनिंग प्राइस है, या फिर गैन का सपोर्ट 1 प्राइस है, या फिर रेसिस्टेंस का लेवल 1 है, या फिर राइट नाउ व्हाट इज द ट्रेडिंग प्राइस. सो वी विल राइट ऑल दीज डिटेल्स, हम यहाँ पे इसको क्लियरली लिख लेंगे. सो यू कैन सी दैट 9:30 AM पे जो बजाज ऑटो का प्राइस था, इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट, यू कैन सी 10224. So on the basis of this 10224, LTP में मैं लिख लूंगा लेटेस्ट ट्रेडिंग प्राइस इज 10184. So obviously I will write this price in the my Gann square to generate the support and resistance levels. 10224. It is the 9:30 AM price. 9:30 AM price. S1 and R1 I will generate. So my support 1 is 10175 and my resistance is 10251. I will enter these values in the Excel now. I will enter all these values in the Excel now. यहाँ पे मैं इसको enter कर दूंगा. बजाज ऑटो. सो बजाज ऑटो का जो 9:30 AM का प्राइस वाज 10224. सपोर्ट 1 का प्राइस था मेरा 10 एज पर गैन. रेसिस्टेंस का लेवल 1 प्राइस है 10251 एंड जो लाइव प्राइस विच इज राइट नाउ ट्रेडिंग इज 10184. सॉरी 10 ओके 184. सो गैन सपोर्ट 1 रीच्ड हुआ, not right now, but it's close. So this is the level to watch out for. आपको इसको देखना है that 9:30 AM पे इसका जो प्राइस था वो था 10,224 and the support one was 10175. So this is also the level to watch out for as a student, as a researcher, as an investor, as a common man, as a researcher doing backtesting. So you can see यहाँ पे जो दो stocks हैं, these are nearly very close, like the TCS, like the some other stock in Infosys also, and Bajaj Auto also. Like these are near their support 1 prices. तो इसको आप 10-15 मिनट तक अगर ट्रैक करते हैं रियल टाइम पे, you may be able to, आप इसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. Next stock is now Bharti Airtel. So let's select the Bharti Airtel stock here. Believe me, ये जो नॉलेज आपको यहाँ पे मिल रही है, ये नॉलेज बहुत ही कम लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो हमारा पर्पस यहाँ पे नॉलेज डिलीवर करके स्किल डेवलपमेंट इज अवर फोकस. नाउ यू कैन सी निफ्टी has gone slightly negative. अभी it was positive by 15, 20, 25. That means there is some selling pressure coming in. So that means कि जो सपोर्ट लेवल्स थे वो आपके शायद मे बी हिट हो सकते हैं एज पर दी प्रायर आउट ऑफ Gann square of 9. So let's write these values for the Bharti Airtel now. So Bharti Airtel 9:30 AM price was, you can see that 9:30 AM was 1919. So I will enter all these values, and the LTP is right now, this is 930 1919, and the latest value is 1921. This is the LTP. So I will enter the value 1919 into the my Gann square 1919, and so that I am able to generate the level 1 support and the level 1 resistance, because right now we are practicing level 1 level 2. Then you can watch out for the other levels if you think आपको आगे इसमें proceed करना है. So my R1 is going to be 1936 and the S1 is going to be 1903. So now we are going to update this information on our portfolio dashboard for the Nifty 100. So I'm here, Bharti Airtel. So you can see 1930 M price was 1919. Gann support price level 1 is 1903, and you can see the resistance one of these 1936, and you can see the live price. Just now we just checked that 11:37 a.m. was how much? 1921. So is the Gann support one price level breached? 1903 तो नहीं टूटा है अभी? No. तो क्या resistance level 1 breakout हुआ? No, it's 921. So again our stance is neutral for this stock also. So we are done with the 7th stock. Now let's go to M&M. M&M we will just so M&M is basically, you can see it's Mahindra and Mahindra. The market is gone down. It's broken is 24,100 का level है, जो कि एक short term में it's maybe a bearish stance as per the market sentiments. It's all a matter of price discovery. So there is nothing to panic. It's a dynamic market, but still, as an investor, as a financial literate person, you should be able to analyze the real market data for your investing decisions. और हमें किसी के ऊपर depend नहीं होना है. So you can see M&M का जो मेरा प्राइस है at 9:30 AM, it is 3067. I can say 3067. On the basis of this, I will be generating the Gann square support 1 and resistance 1 on the basis of this price 3067. So I will enter this price here. Okay, so 3067 की base पे we have calculated the. So I find my resistance 1 as 3094 and my support 1 as 3052, and the live price is how much? Right now it is going on is 3082 is the LTP, last traded price 3082. Now we will be entering all this information on our portfolio dashboard in this Excel. M&M. So 9:30 AM price was 3067. Gann 1 support price was how much? Let me just hide these stocks. So the support 1 as per the Gann square is 3052. Resistance 1 as per this is 3094. And what is the live price? Just now we checked this 3082. So again, support level breach no, and resistance also breach no. So this stance is again neutral. Next stock is now ICC Bank. So let's do the same calculation for the ICICI Bank here. Okay, so for ICICI Bank, I got the information. The 9:30 a.m. price is, you can see 9:30 a.m. prices for ICICI Bank is 1360. So it's 1360 is the price at 9:30 a.m. LTP जो right now भी trade कर रहा है, that is you can see 1367. And now I'm generating the support 1 and the resistance 1 level. So I will enter 1360. Now I'm just, अभी हम अपनी एक्सेल को अपडेट कर देंगे. R1 and S1 is according to this. Resistance 1 is 1378 and support 1 is 1350. Now let's update our Excel dashboard. Okay, so for ICC Bank, the 9:30 a.m. price was 1360. Gann support 1 price level was, you can see, is 1350. Resistance level price was, level 1 was 1378. And the right now live price we just checked was 1367. So again, this stock is also in between its range of support and resistance, and as such there is no clear signal. It's, the stance is neutral, but definitely you can watch out these levels just seeing the market movement. Now the next stock is SBI. What if we record data with exact decimal? Does not matter. It will not matter much. कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Difference is there only. Now let's go to the next stock, is that is SBI. Okay, for SBI you can see it is also flat. So let's leave it. हम वो स्टॉक कंसीडर करते हैं जिसमें थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट हो. HAL, let's see HAL now. HAL is your, you can see HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So you can say it is also somewhat flat. So let's leave this. Next is my VBL. So I will check VBL now. VBL, Varun Beverages Limited. It's all publicly available information. It's also flat, so I'm just leaving it. Next is, let's check TMPB. This is all, these all stocks are part of your NIFTY 100 index basically. So Tata Motors passenger vehicles is down by 1.65%, not much of a difference, so I'm also leaving it. Next is Bajaj Finance. So let's check Bajaj Finance. So when I'm checking Bajaj Finance, again flat, 0.73% up, we are leaving it. Next is Adani Enterprises. तो जहां पे मुझे मूवमेंट मिल रहा है 1.5% से ऊपर में भी, so I can do that. Next is Adani Enterprises, is this part of Nifty 100. So it is down by 1.24%. So this also I'm leaving it. Next is our Eternal. Stock is Eternal. So we are scanning all the 100 stocks as per the Nifty 100 portfolio. Again flat, so I'm leaving it. Now I will be using only those stocks जिसमें थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा movement है, whether it is going to breach the either support 1 or the resistance 1. So let's check Larsen, L&T. And in the end हम एक ऐसा analysis करेंगे जिस एनालिसिस में आके वी विल बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट दैट how many number of stocks have breached their support 1 or resistance 1 or resistance 2 3 4 or support 2 3 4. So Larsen and Toubro also is flat, so I'm just leaving it for now. Then we have Cipla. Cipla is good momentum, is in good momentum today, so let's do it for Cipla. Okay, so for Cipla, you can see what was the price for 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. price of Cipla is, you can see, is 1426. Now we will apply this on our Gann level 1426. So my support one is 1415 and my resistance is 1444. And you can see now what is the value of the latest price. The latest price is 1451 or 1452, we can say. Now we will update our Excel here. I will hide these cells taki. Okay, Cipla 9:30 a.m. price was 1426 and my Gann support one price level was how much? 1415. So support हमेशा डाउन साइड में नीचे की तरफ और रेसिस्टेंस हमेशा हायर साइड पे. तो रेसिस्टेंस वाज 1444. ये पहला स्टॉक आया अभी तक जिसने अपना रेसिस्टेंस का जो लेवल 1 है उससे ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है. So the live price is 1452. So obviously Gann support one price level breached. Obviously the answer is no. But resistance level price is breached, yes. Now the level to watch out for is, let me tell you, the next level for Cipla is 1453. After 1453, it is 1463, 1472, 1482, which you can generate it using the Gann square indicators. So I'm just, अगर किसी ने लेट ज्वाइन किया तो मैं दोबारा से बता देता हूं that we are using this website. I'm using this website to generate these pivot levels. So मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं 9:30 am का जो प्राइस है उसको एंटर कर रहा हूं इस ब्राउजर में जाके. देन देयर इज वन टेबल ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, bottom right में, which is giving me the levels for support 1 2 3 4 and similarly like resistance 1 2 3 4, which will help you in your investment decisions, short term trading, whatever, using the pure scientific methods and no human emotions, right? So this is going to really build your skill, and the more you practice, the more expert you become. And with the algo trading software, let me tell you, it's basically a 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. job, only Monday to Friday. Other gazetted holidays are also there. So with this data, this kind of data dashboard, if you are going to create for your portfolios, I guarantee you that you will have a great knowledge or skill which you can practice at any point of time. So next one is, let's check Adani Power, Adani Green. Now we will search Adani Power. And this is, we are doing live right now. So Adani Power, I can see that 9:30 am price was, Adani Power 9:30 am price was 234. And let's also search Adani Green, and its latest price of Adani Power is LTP, let me just write here, 226. R1 S1 we will write. Then we also search Adani Green and just एक साथ ही update कर लेंगे अपनी जो Google dashboard है Adani Green. Adani Green you can see is mine. Adani Green का जो आप देख सकते हैं 9:30 AM. By 9:30 AM I'm again repeating if anyone has joined late 9:30 AM because after 15 minutes of market noise which I have considered. Others may consider 10 AM and 15 AM. But I am using this for last 5 years. More than 90% accuracy is there. Purely based on discipline and practice, no addiction. So Adani Green, you can also see that the markets are down now by 85 points. So Adani Green LTP 9:30 AM price is first of all 1545, and Adani Green LTP is right now you can see 1499. Now I will be generating the support and resistance levels for both these stocks and उसके बाद हम अपना डैशबोर्ड अपडेट कर देंगे. So for Adani Port, support 1 is 221, resistance is 232. And for Adani Green, you can see, I'm just sharing my screen because ye support 1 for Adani Green is, you can see 1530 and resistance is 1560. Okay, now let's update our portfolio dashboard using our Excel. So you can see for Adani Power, the 9:30 AM price was 234. Support 1 is 221. Resistance 1 is 232. Live price is how much? 226. So you can see it's a clearly bearish. So support 1 को इसने breach किया है. Sorry, it's in between. No, it's about to. So you can just try 221 से अगर ये नीचे जाएगा तो it may be a bearish as per the Gann skewer. So as of now अभी ये neutral है. Okay, next one was your Adani Green. Adani Green 9:30 AM price was 1545. Support 1 was, you can see 1530. Resistance 1 was, you can see is 1560. And you can see the live price right now was, it was how much? 1499. So क्या ये support level से नीचे 1530 it has already breached. So yes, it is a short term bearish as per the Gann skewer of 9 established model by WD Gann. Yes, support level 1 breached and resistance no. So the stance is next is let's check PFC and NTPC. PFC and NTPC. So first we will find out for PFC and then we will find out for NTPC. So PFC 9:30 AM price was, you can see 440, 440 or it's 440.85. You can even consider 441. Let's consider it 441. Then I will also check the LTP. अभी LTP कितना चल रहा है right now? You can see it is 433.8, 434. Now we have to find out S1 R1 and let's also check NTPC. NTPC you can check is that the 9:30 AM opening price was 9:30 opening price was, you can see just आपको यहाँ से कर्सर को ड्रैग करना है 368 एंड अभी करंट प्राइस कितना चल रहा है 363. Now let's apply all these stocks for their Gann square, support 1 and resistance 1. So you can see that current market price may I will enter the price for 441 for the PFC. Support 1 is 436, resistance is 451, and for NTPC the 930 price was 368. तो अभी हम इसको अपनी एक्सेल को अपडेट कर लेंगे S1 R1. So S1 is 361, resistance is 375. So let me now just update my Excel. Okay, so now you can see that for the PFC, the opening price for 930 AM was how much? 441. Support 1 था इसका 436. Resistance 1 था इसका 451. Live price अभी इसका कितना चल रहा है 434. So yes, what is your analysis? Level 1 breach हो गया support का? Yes, it's already breached. Yes. Resistance no. So the stance is bearish as per the Gann square of 9 indicator, as per the mathematical model, as per the scientific model, as per the market momentum. After this we will conclude and I will give some conclusion regarding this with some further tasks. NTPC 930 AM price is 368. Support 1 is 361. Resistance 1 is 375. Live price is right now 363. So it's थोड़ा सा भी close है, but right now there is no as such no clear indication as per the Gann square of 9 because it is still above its support 1. अभी उससे ऊपर है 363. Now I'm removing the filters और इसको अनहाइड कर देते हैं हम यहाँ से अपने जो कॉलम्स हैं. So now you can see is that till now जो भी हमने इसमें एनालिसिस किया, I will just apply a filter. I will apply a filter. यहाँ से मैं एक filter लगाऊंगा because and I will select how many stocks are bullish. So I've got till now I've analyzed around 8 to 10 stocks. So I found that Cipla is trading above its resistance 1 above. Okay, so 1452. This was for the sample जिसको हमने अभी तक इसको अप्लाई किया and we found 4 stocks as bearish as per Gann square of 9. VAML, TCS, Adani Green, PFC trading below their support 1 price level से नीचे and we got these many stocks 9 stocks as neutral because ये भी range bound है. There is no clear momentum direction as such. So you can see that the markets में थोड़ा सा भी pressure आ रहा है and right now it is down it's breached even 24,000. So now let's apply it on Nifty also. ना Nifty कैसे रह गया? So Nifty बहुत broad है. So let's go to the Nifty. So you can see Nifty का भी check करते हैं. Let's apply it on Nifty. Now let's apply it on Nifty. Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 ka you can see how much is the, just write down these numbers from here. So you can see Nifty 50 9:30 a.m. price was how much? You will drag the cursor here, and you will find that Nifty 50 was trading at 24,096. I hope the screen. You can see that at 9:30 a.m. Nifty was trading at how much? 24,096. This I will note it down. 24,096 9:30 a.m. का प्राइस था, और right now Nifty is trading at how much? This is 9:30 a.m. price of 24,096, which you just noted down as I told you. तो ये जो आप सीख रहे हैं इसको हम अप्लाइड फाइनेंस कहते हैं. फाइनेंस तो बहुत लोग सिखाते हैं, बट उसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है वो भी रियल टाइम मार्केट में, which can become your skill. You can not only manage your own portfolio, but you can also guide someone others. You can do consultancy. So live market is now Nifty's LTP's latest trading is price is 23,990. Now let's this website and generate the support 1 and support 2 levels of this thing, Nifty 50. So I will type this value here, 24096, and click on calculate. And you can find कि मेरे पास इसका R1 आ गया है on the higher side, ऊपर की तरफ 24,24141 और जो support 1 है that is 24025. Next support is 23986. Now let's enter all these values. इसको हम यहाँ Google dashboard पे अपडेट करके इसको यहाँ से हम वो करते हैं conclude. Now you see. तो ये रियल टाइम मार्केट एनालिसिस यूजिंग गैन स्क्वायर का एक बहुत ही क्लियर पर्पस है, दैट द पर्पस इज दिस टू टीच यू अ स्किल, टू गिव यू अ टूल कि आप किस तरह से अपने पोर्टफोलियो को खुद ही एनालाइज कर सकते हैं शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस के लिए, ट्रेडिंग के लिए और फॉर कंसल्टेंसी के लिए. यू कैन एडवाइज अदर्स यूजिंग क्लियरली साइंटिफिक मेथड एंड नो ह्यूमन इमोशंस, इमोशनल बायस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. सो 9:30 a.m. का प्राइस मैं यहाँ पे एंटर कर रहा हूँ निफ्टी 50 का, इट इज 24096. गैन सपोर्ट लेवल 1 आपका जो है इसमें वो आ रहा है 24025. रेसिस्टेंस जो लेवल आ रहा है वो आ रहा है 24141. लाइव प्राइस जो भी लेटेस्ट आ रहा था दैट वाज 23980 इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. इट हैज गॉन फर्दर 23969. अपडेट कर देते हैं इसको 23969. 23969 मैं इसको यहाँ पे अपडेट करूंगा 23969. Is the Gann support 1 price level breached? Yes. Resistance? No. So the temporary stance is, as per the Gann square of 9, is bearish. And यहाँ पे जो लेवल आपको वॉच आउट करना है that level is support का. The next level is, oh okay, very important update. Live price is 2396, so it has even breached its support level 2. So निफ्टी अपने सपोर्ट लेवल 2 को भी तोड़ चुका है, और उसके नेक्स्ट लेवल कौन सा है मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ 23980. सपोर्ट का थर्ड लेवल भी आपको यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. सपोर्ट का सेकंड लेवल था 23986, सॉरी 23986. थर्ड लेवल इज सपोर्ट का 23947. नाउ बिलीव मी, व्हाट यू नीड टू वॉच आउट फॉर. आपको इसमें क्या देखना है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक. इसको भी हाइड कर देते हैं यहां से. यू कैन सी दैट इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लियर. एक पढ़े लिखे फाइनेंशियली लिटरेट इंसान की तरह, इन्वेस्टर की तरह, यू आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन. I was listening to some news अभी जब पीछे recently there was some market corrections, so some of the investors were saying that there is no problem as such. I agree with them. Long term में there is no problem, but why not the retail investors are protected from these kind of, अगर मैं ये कहता हूं कि cyclical fluctuations भी अगर आती हैं तो one should be aware ना at least. So you should be able to use the financial engineering and applied finance for revisiting your portfolio or even protecting your portfolio from temporary downfall. चाहे वो आप options buy करके एक lot nifty का, that was the thumb rule I gave. You have to buy one nifty put option for 10 lakhs of portfolio. That is the mantra. Now let's just consider it again. यहाँ पे हम इसको निफ्टी को भी लाइव देखते हैं एंड वी कंसीडर इट विद द गैन स्क्वायर की जो सपोर्ट और उसके जो लेवल्स हैं. Okay, so now you can see that the market is going toward its third support level breach होने वाला है अभी. That is 23947 and that is the level to watch out for. इसको मैं स्क्रीन को थोड़ा सा जूम कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे so that you are able to focus. So this is the skill which I told you and I'm very happy that in the real time market environment I have been able to prove the market indicator applied finance using the Gann square. This is the live market going on and you can see right now what is happening is जो निफ्टी अभी 24096 पे ओपन हुआ, it has breached its first support level 24025, then it breached its second support level, then it has breached its right now 23947. 23947 is the next third support level. अगर ये breach होता है, so till now if you had bought any put option you are already in profit in the sense कि जो आपके पोर्टफोलियो में if there is any correction जो भी incidentally अगर आ जाता है तो you will be able to complete set off जो आपकी जो losses हैं portfolio downfall के with the put option and there is no I mean 100% guarantee or it will remain below. अभी थोड़ी देर में अब भी आ जाएगा, आ सकता है और down जा सकता है. But what you have to rely is you have to rely only and only on this oscillator. Which oscillator? Which I have just shown you. You have to prepare this dashboard for your portfolio management, for guiding others, for advising others, for consulting your services expertise. So you can see that this is something called as financial engineering applied finance. So I hope with this video I was able to teach you about one skill which you can apply in the real time market environment. And with this we are going to end this session. So I hope you enjoyed the session and I tried my best to give you a step-by-step example that how you can apply the Gann square of 9, or similarly we can do it in the coming videos for the maybe other technical indicators like crossovers and moving average, convergent, divergence and exponential moving average. But as per my experience for last 5 years, I have been using this indicator with 90%, more than 90% accuracy as a back testing. I got the proof also. So you can also do the same. You can also learn the same. Before we end the stream, I hope you will be able to gain more and more knowledge, more and more initiatives coming forward जो आगे आने वाले हैं. So if you have not still subscribed, please subscribe and also motivate others, because here we are not only teaching the skill development, चाहे वो career opportunities हैं, चाहे वो और financial incentivization program है which will be coming, we will be sharing with you, we will be sharing with our audience. So thank you very much. Now you can leave this program and thank you very much for your participation. Thanks a lot.